Another order.
You don't mind my appearance. I just got done doing a workout. Phase 2 has begun. It also all got here on Joshua's birthday. Good birthday gift, huh?
Yes. Very good birthday.
They have kind of a weird rule where they only drop stuff off at the end of your driveway, so.
Yeah, he said they weren't allowed to. They're not allowed to drive on residential driveways, even though ours is gravel.
So I should probably help you with the rest. So we clearly placed another order for our barn gym. Today, what we're gonna be doing is we're going to, well, we got some more mats. They're all loaded in the truck here. Some more mats, that's exciting. We do have a lot of reorganizing and kind of reconfiguring things that we want to do. Before we got the boat, we were going to have everything going this way, but now we're going to have it coming this way. See, there's two garage doors right here. So originally we were gonna have everything in front of that door, but now it'll be in front of this door. And I think that'll work too. Today the main focus is just getting all these boxes open. We'll show you guys what we just got. This is pretty much everything that we already had, which we showed in the last video of the barn gym, but this is something I took out the other day because I wanted to use it. So we got a box. It has 3 different, show them how you can flip it and have it like 3 different ways. So that way is a little bit taller, and then this way is the tallest. And then we got all of these dumbbells. So for now we got 5 to 55. We've been wanting dumbbells probably since we got married. Yes. And we've always wanted like the individual ones. And so now we finally did. These were my old trustees right here, but I'm really excited to have the Rogue ones. Eventually phase 3 we'll get like the rack and then maybe go up in the weight. Oh yeah, I almost forgot.
We got these medicine balls.
Yeah, so we have a few different options here in weights, which is nice. Just got all of the mats down.
For now, we have one more row.
Yeah, we want to, phase 3.
Phase 3
How many phases do you think we'll really have?
4. Phase 3 will be the rest of the equipment. Phase 4 will be the
rest of the
ceiling.
Once prices eventually go down for OSB, it's kind of gotten crazy.
We'll put a basketball hoop up here.
We're gonna do a little haul and show you guys everything that we got. We got some little, these are little weights, just like little change plates. We got 2.5. What all did we get? 2.5?
5 and 10.
And they're colored, so they're cute. Ooh, we love the white. Oh my goodness, I love these. I wish all of our weights looked like that, but they don't even make them like that. I think those look cool, the white ones.
Yeah, I agree.
And another thing that we bought was some plate storage. So all of these weights will get hung up on the walls too, which will be really nice. These were all the weights that we had before, all the metal ones.
This is one of the 2 things I'm the most excited about for phase 2.
Oh, really? Good.
This and the thing that we'll show later. Some assembly required.
Oh man. Is this where you want it?
Oh, it's easy to move.
Okay.
All right, you lift that up. There we go, sit it down. There it is.
Oh, this is really long. I didn't realize it was so long.
Yeah. All right, she's gonna go for it.
That's fun. I like it. Back to our haul.
Got new collar ties.
So these go on the end of the bar to hold the weight on.
We had some, but the only problem was when we were dropping it from like overhead, they'd move.
Yeah, they were just from Amazon, and these are
Rogues.
Yeah, these are really nice ones. Ooh, this is cool. This is our belt hanger. So it's gonna hang on the wall. Let me see. Gotta get a good...
Putting it against my yellow backdrop.
Yes. That's gonna be so cool.
Yeah, and that's gonna go over there.
This is literally just gonna go on the wall and plates are gonna go on it. Is this the same thing?
Yeah, but that's the backer to them.
Cool.
Is the backer for it. So then this.
And we'll have it all put together by the end of the video so you guys
like
can
this.
actually see what it looks like on the wall. And then all we have left, what we got, is in these wait, what's that?
That's the legs to this.
Okay, so, and that's that too?
Yes.
All the boxes we have left is for one.
Is my most anticipated item of our gym.
One machine. Is it a machine? Sort of. You guys will see. So this is all for this one machine. So we'll see you guys next year.
This is better than IKEA.
We'll pick up on this video in a couple of days. Today is our big reveal of the gym. I spent the morning mopping, vacuuming out here. What's going on? We're ready to show you guys. This won't be the completed gym tour. This is phase 2.
Phase 2 completion.
We have a lot more we want to do out here, but we'll show you what we've got going on so far. First off, I think the biggest thing that we did were the mats. Before, we just had the mats going across there. We extended it this row and then all the way to the garage door. Some of them we got in the winter and they're outside at Tractor Supply Co. And so I think some of like the salt or something got on these and kind of messed them up. So we put those closer to the garage door, and then we have the nicer ones back over here. There he goes. He's got to get his workout in today. I think we'll start with this section. So this section over here, oh, and the newest addition is the boat to the gym. But this is now our cardio section. We had the bike and this thing already. The two new additions are the rower, which since we've got it, I've used it every day. I love it. And then we got this thing over here. This is something Joshua was really excited about.
My favorite part.
What is this called again?
GHD thingy.
Do you want to show them?
Sure.
I don't do it. So there's a couple different things that you can do on this. You can work abs and hammies, right?
Yep, so this is...
Or your back, or your lower back.
Down.
There he goes.
And you can do it the other way.
That's a new addition. We actually didn't move the treadmill to this section. That just kind of stays over there. So this is kind of our cardio section over here in front of the boat. And I think I said this earlier. Our original plan was that the mats were going to go all that way in front of this garage door. But then when we got the boat, this is the taller garage door. So we kind of
And when this T-top folds down, it doesn't fit in here. I'd have to take the whole thing off. But it would be obnoxious taking it off and on, off and on. So it's just folded down and it fits into that garage door.
Going over here next, I feel like this phase of the gym, we were really focused on organizational stuff, which makes me very happy. This is just to hang jump ropes, resistance bands, wrist wraps, our belts. We also did get this right here, which has been awesome, and you can flip it to go to a few different, did we already show this? I feel like we might have shown
I think so.
But yeah, you can flip it to go to like different heights or whatever. We also moved the whiteboard over here, and we actually hung the clock now because we realized it was kind of being finicky if it wasn't plugged in. And then I got these little things on Amazon. They came in today for our markers and stuff because they were just on the floor in a bag. And then we have a little spot for our remote now too. Those are just the things that make me happy. We have all of our dumbbells, so this is a start for the dumbbells, which we're really excited about.
Phase 3 would be the rack.
Yep.
Get them off the ground.
Organization.
We got 5 all the way up to 55 going by 5.
Over here, we got some of these, what are these called?
Medicine balls.
Medicine balls. I was going to call them slam balls, but they're actually medicine balls. So we got a few different weights of those, and we just have those here on this little thing. This is something else that really makes me happy, is I put a bunch of our gym accessories in here, just extra little gloves, resistance bands, Joshua's weighted vest is in there, some chalk, things like that. And then of course, to keep the place clean, we've got some wipes, a kettlebell, and our shoes down there. In phase 3, we also want to probably get a different bench. We've had this one forever. This was like the first bench we ever got.
I think it's like 10 years old.
We'd like to upgrade the bench eventually. I don't think we've ever showed this though.
Amazon.
Joshua found this on Amazon. Trying to show him how to work it.
You got it. Boom. Just a pulley system for tries and buys, pull downs.
So that's really nice. We got all of these. Joshua hung them up the other day to have all the plates up off the ground now. They were all just sitting on the ground. Joshua made that look really good.
Phase 3 is another bar. Maybe 2 bars, but that's the original bar I had with the bench.
If you can't tell, it's pretty.
Yeah, but those are our 2.
And then we also added these change plates this time because we had all of these already, but we got these. I really like the colors of them. They're very pretty. And
we got these because we noticed that our smaller ones were kind of scratching the bar when you drop them.
Yeah, we had metal ones before.
So these are nice.
I don't know, my hair is just not curling how it normally does.
We got the mirror for form, not for cosmetic.
You know, if we want to see if we're doing something right. And this is like a very old mirror that was from my parents' house, and it's super heavy. So I don't know that we'll ever even hang this. It would probably look better if we hung it, but you know, can't do it all.
Our goal is to put a mirror here and a mirror across that wall for form for like the dumbbell station and all that.
These are all of our old plates. These are all of our metal plates over here. And then, yeah, we have our treadmill over here. This area, I'd like to just put a curtain over it so you can't even see it.
It's our yard stuff.
So we have some things to do. Actually, a lot of the weight equipment came on this pallet and in this huge box, and we had to break down a bunch of boxes and stuff. So that'll all go, and next we kind of want to work on organizing this, get some of those hooks for the wall to hang shovels, brooms, all that sort of thing. And that over there will be the next little project too, which is sort of like the fishing section, which that is our completed gym for now. We're really excited. We love it. We're excited to share it with you guys. We'll have more projects in the future, so if you guys want to see more and what we do as we progress out here in the barn. Also, if you guys have any suggestions for organizational things for the other side of the barn, let us know, or just any other suggestions in general. But we're super happy and excited with it for now. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and we will see you very soon in the next one.